How to add tags to Airbnb listing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Now log into your Airbnb account and further tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and select the Manage Listings option from the drop-down menu that appears. Further, tap on the Listings option on top and then go ahead and select the listing you want to add tags in. Now, under the Listing Editor, tap the Edit Preferences option and then tap on the Taxes option. Further, select the Add a Tax option. Now, go ahead and choose the appropriate tax type, example, hotel tax, lodging tax, tourist tax, VAT or GST. Specify the type of charge and enter the amount being collected. Further, provide your business tax ID and accommodations tax registration number if applicable. Indicate whether your region offers exemptions for long-term stays or not. Finally, agree to the terms and tap on the Save button to save the changes you made. So, this is how you can add tags to Airbnb listing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.